Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, everybody. This is Muhammad Mufiz Rahman once again in front of you. This is really fantastic moment for me that I think you are very fine. I am also Alhamdulillah. I want to talk about in this day in front of you. Today is a memorable day for us. We know that many students are live their beautiful life in this day. That is why this day is a memorable day for us. We will deny their impossible to deny their definition to build our student life, our beautiful life. Finally, I am going to thank all the participants in this day, including our respected teacher, our parents, and all classes student, as well as my soulmate friend. I humbly request to accept my salam and heart love. Be patient and enjoy your life. Be happy and enjoy your life. Every person loves a flower, right? Okay. The whole world is the stage. We are a player, right? Okay. Thanks for all. Thank you so much, everyone.